Hey guys, it is Keisha from Keisha Knows Nothing, and here are 2 quick and easy DIYs for flower vases for Mother's Day. I got all my products from Dollar Tree except for the spray paint. This glassware is from Dollar Tree, like I said, $1.25. It's a pretty good size, and I thought it would be great for a vase. I also got this vase as well, or glassware, that I'm going to use for a vase. It's a really good shape too. Dollar Tree does have drop cloths, you guys, and I found this it's kind of a ribbon. It's got kind of a boho burlap theme to it, or look to it, so I decided to use this. And like I said, the spray paint is from somewhere else. It's from Lowe's. And then I also found this name tag with this bead chain on it. So I'm going to be just using the beaded part of it. I'm not going to be using the name tag. And I have painter's tape. I believe that's from Lowe's. So I took the first vase outside and I decided to paint it with the gold spray paint. I just kind of made a thick line at the bottom and then a smaller line at the top. And the very top was a really skinny line, but I made the mistake of spraying the lip of the vase, and so some of the gold paint got inside of it. But like Bob Ross would say, there are no mistakes, or just happy mistakes, I should say. This paint dried fairly quickly, so this total took probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and that includes dry time. I will say this is not my favorite of the two, and you guys will see why, but I think it turned out okay. As you can see, it wasn't supposed to go that far down the top, but you know, like I said, Bob Ross said happy mistakes, so that's what we're going to call it. I got my flowers from the local grocery store. They were fairly cheap, $5 for a bundle of each. So you could also use faux flowers from Dollar Tree. I decided not to do that just because I prefer the look of the real flowers, and like I said, they were fairly inexpensive. The other vase, I just took that string, the beaded string, and like I said, I removed the tag. I also took that burlap ribbon and made a bow with that. It was not the easiest thing making that bow, you guys. It took me a minute, mainly because I had some really bad glue that I was using, but I did create a bow eventually, and then I just attached the beaded string to it, and for me that look was the best out of the 2 vases. That's the one I like the most. It just kind of has this natural, homey, chill look to it, but also very elegant and simple. I got my Mother's Day card from Dollar Tree as well. They have a big selection of Mother's Day cards, you guys, so definitely hit them up to get your Mother's Day cards. That's all I have, you guys. Comment below and tell me which one you like the most, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and thumbs up the video. I'll talk to you next time.